In this video, let's discuss USDJPY weekly price bias, because this very week, see the market move downward, grab liquidity, and then move all the way upward. Okay, so market is gathering momentum to the upside at the moment on USDJPY. And if you look at Euro USD, market is still going to move upward. So market is going to move upward and then create a new high before we will see the market come back down for a good retracement. And that is what which we're expecting right now. If you watch my immediate last video, I talk about buying USDJPY, and that is exact same thing I am still expecting right now all the way to the upside. So all of these in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also, check the channel for other Forex content. If you look at this very point, USDJPY, I talked about market moving upward from this very point. And the best thing to do right now is to buy USDJPY, that is in favor of the US dollars after the Fed rate cut, which surprised the market by 25% basic point, that is 0.25 basic points, above what the market was expecting. So Fed cut rate by 0.50 basic points, which is above market expectation of 0.25 basic points. And this is very important because that is overhype of what the market was expecting all the way from this area. So I am expecting that since the market has been coming back all the way to the downside on USDJPY, we should expect that the market begin to move upward on USDJPY. If you look at this very point right here, this is a very important level of support. So this point of support right at this very area is very important. So market enter into this level of support, grab liquidity from this very point, and then after a liquidity grab from here, what we are seeing right now is the market moving upward, and this is very important. So market is going to move upward from this very area. Technically, expect the market to continue this movement all the way to the upside, and looking for a buy opportunity or a buy position will be the best thing to do right now from this technical analysis. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, if you look at it, market is already out of overbought sold condition, moving out. The orange line is now below the blue line. So the blue line is already above the orange line, moving out of oversold condition, approaching the 50% line at this very point. What that means is that the market have capacity to begin to move upward. And that is what you should be expecting as well right now. So expect that the market move from here all the way to the upside, and that is what I am expecting as well on my chart. So paying attention to buy opportunity will be the best thing to do for USDJPY at the moment. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart gives us a different information that we have seen on the chart right here. So from this very point, you discover that the market is moving upward gradually on the 1 day. So from this very area, market come back down and we have a move upward. Market is going to continue this move to the upside because the 1 day chart is already out of oversold condition, and that very move is going to continue. And if you look at the stochastic as well, there's a crossover between the blue line and the orange line, not from oversold condition, but we are not going to follow this very stochastic RSI on the 4-hour chart. What we are paying attention to is the 1 day chart, because the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. And from here, I am expecting that when the market open on Monday, we should see the market begin to move in favor of the US dollars. And this is very important right now on the chart. And this is what you should pay attention to on your chart as well technically. And if you look at the Euro USD price chart, from this very point, market is going to move upward a little bit, create a new high. That is my expectation. And then after that new high, market is going to come back down. So we should not expect an aggressive move right here all the way to the upside, just like we see at this very point. This move for a very long period. So I am not expecting that very long move where the market is right now. I'm just expecting the market to just move a little bit upward, and then after this movement upward, the market is going to come back to the downside for a good correction before the market will pick up again all the way to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to as well. So if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, it discovered that this market is still pointing upward, about entering the overbought condition at this very point. So market about entering overbought condition, it has not entered, but if it do, then it's going to be some question about market moving all the way to the upside. But for now, what I am still expecting, in as much as market is moving upward, market should continue this movement to the upside a little bit, and then after creation of a new high, we're going to see market begin to come back down for a good correction of this entire impulsive move. Market move all the way from here upward, we have retracement to the downside. Market move upward again, we have retracement to the downside. Market move upward, retracement. Market is going to move with this impulsive leg and then have a good correction before the next move upward. And this is what I am now looking at on my chart. So pay attention to this and see how it aligns with your strategy. And if we go back to the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart is showing something different right here. So as we resume the market on Monday, what I will be paying attention to on Monday for Euro USD is this. If you look at this very point of resistance on the 4-hour chart, it discovered that this very point is an important level of resistance. So this very point of resistance at this very area, market is resisting itself for a very long period. Not a very, very long period, but market enter into the year the first time, have this very spike to the downside, come into here the second time again, and finding resistance moving upward. So from here, market is finding resistance at this very point. What that means is market is going to move down a little bit before continuation upward. I am not expecting a breakout on this very level of resistance, although a breakout can happen as we resume the market on Monday, but that is not what I am expecting. So expect as we resume the market on Monday, market should move downward, and then afterward, we should see the market begin to move upward again on Euro USD. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator from this very perspective, it discovered that the market is already at overbought condition. So when market enter into overbought condition at this very point, you see that the market is overbuy, which means buyers are getting tired, moving the market upward. So the bullish momentum is getting reduced. So therefore, sellers are going to take control of the market, and then the market is going to move downwards. So as we resume the market on Monday, I am expecting that the market begin to have reduced momentum to the upside. So therefore, the bears are going to take control of the market, moving the market all the way to the downside for a good correction before the market is going to move upward again. So this is what I am now expecting on the Euro USD 4-hour chart and the 1-day chart, and also USDJPY 4-hour chart and 1-day chart. Pay attention to all of these, guys. This is what you need to look at and put in your own strategy. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it out and do the registration right away. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.